not a year that you're gonna be doing a lot of talking. Like this is it. This is the year for grinding. What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy E.T. and welcome to another edition of, that's right, baby, bring it from the bottom. Thank God it's Monday. All right, look, I got a question for you. All right, look, we're not gonna do a question, all right? I'm gonna make a statement. This was probably about 6, 7 years ago. I felt like a caged animal, y'all. I felt like a caged lion. Are you hearing me? Like I felt caged, y'all. I felt like the people that were over me, like they wouldn't let E.T. do his thing. For real, y'all see this right here? Like I didn't have this opportunity. Like I could see it, but I was caged. Like it was close, I could touch it, I could smell it, I could see it, but I couldn't get to it. And I asked myself, like, E.T., how long you gonna be a caged animal? Like for real, y'all gotta hear what I'm telling you. There are those of you who are caged and you got the key. And you gotta make up in your mind that the people who are holding you down, you're not gonna let them hold you down no more. Look, I'm not even on no victim stuff. I'm saying you gotta get to a point where you like, yo, E, you a caged animal, what you gonna do about it? And I said, I'm gonna go to school for it. Yep, I'm gonna get every single degree I can get. I'm gonna use YouTube. I'm gonna go on and do free TGIMs. Look, I'm gonna go to schools for free. I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do to get out this cage. And look, y'all, ETA cage no more. Y'all see this? Hey, and this ain't something I'm doing every now and then. This is my life now. So if you're ready to stop being a caged lion, caged gorilla, caged wolf, whatever you see yourself as, if you're ready to stop being caged and you want to be free, listen to me. The person that's got you in bondage, they ain't gonna never give you the key. You gotta take it. If you're ready to be free, you ready to take that risk? If you're ready to be free, you ready to take life into your own hands? Are you ready to be free? And if you are, you just decide when, and you just decide what you're willing to do, and at that day, you're gonna be free to be who you were called to be. Hey, it's your boy E.T. I never said it would be easy, but I swear to you it's worth it. So do me a favor, stop being caged, and make a decision that you're gonna make the rest of your life the best of your life.